everyone, my name is Hannah Richard, and I'll be explaining more about parents' experience during pregnancy with physical and psychological changes with adjusting to life and becoming parents. I want to remind you that this infographic is an overview, so it is not concrete. There can be different changes with different pregnancies, and so it might be different for you and somebody else. So just wanted to give them that reminder before we start. So obviously this is preparing for you to be a parent. So these are ways that you can prepare. So sleep is very important for helping your child develop in the mother's womb. There can be changes in sleep, the amount of sleep, and how restful your sleep is. You can still sleep for a great amount of time, but it's the amount of restful sleep that could change. It can be more uncomfortable and harder to go to sleep. Eating patterns change, cravings for food, the amount of food eaten, and the particular food causes sickness. So you might like a certain food before you're pregnant, but then while you're pregnant you couldn't eat it because it was making you sick, or you weren't craving that food, you wanted to eat something else. Sometimes your taste bud changes, so that could be something to adjust to. Size and shape during your pregnancy, of course, does change. Of course, their belly increases because that's where the fetus is growing, and a mother can gain 20 pounds or more. It doesn't always have to be just 20 pounds. It could be 30 pounds. It could be, 23 pounds. It could be, but gaining weight is normal. It mainly depends on your stature before you're pregnant. Your mental state is something that also can change. Even the fathers, it's just transitioning from being a spouse to a spouse and a parent, juggling those two jobs and going through life. It can be very exhausting mentally, and so it's good to do things to prepare you for that. Emotional reactivity. Emotions are always changing during pregnancy. Hormones for mothers do take over, but also the father's feelings are changing as well. They are becoming a father. They're becoming a father, so their emotional state changes as well through the pregnancy. Now, it is easier to adapt to changes like being a parent if you're willing to change and not being forced to adjust to changes. So keep an open mind about that. And all this can lead up to your birth of your child, where parenthood really begins. And so those are a few things that could change, psychological and physical, for parents. And those changes in adaptations could help prepare for parenthood and giving birth. So I just wanted to let y'all know. So thank you.